Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add and run script in Google Sheet. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in spreadsheet. On top you see multiple option. Now you see extension, so click on it, and then you see app script, so again click on it. So we are going to add code. So we are in app script, and then you see code.js. So you can add your function or your code. So we are going to add my code. Now paste. So we edit function add current date in code.js. So we are going to run it. So first we are going to save this code. Now you see save button. So click on it. Now saving. Now save done, and then you see run button. Run the selected function. So click on it. Now you see authorization required, review permission. So click on it. So you can choose an account. So click on it, and then you see Google has not verified this app, and then you see advanced button. So again click on it, and after that you see go to untitled project unsave. So click on this, and then you see review untitled project. So click on continue button. Now you see execution started and completed. For this code we added. Now we are going to check our spreadsheet, and then you see current date added. This is simple message by using custom code. So this code we added, and then click on run. After that give permission, and then you see spreadsheet current date and time added with message. So in this way you can add and run script in Google Sheet. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.